We're out here motorbike, Miami. Oh, hold on, I'm recording. All right. Hold up. What happened, man?
Listen, this morning on a little Biscayne ride, this bike right here, bust Raul ass. That black bike with the white mask on it. Yeah, they went home a couple of hours, done changed motors, and did what they had to do. Now they trying to come back for some more and race for money. I'm not a fool. Wear that ass whooping, and I'ma race you when I want to race you. Till then, bye. Purple Rain.
Oh man, got him. Oh, Joe just sent a message. Joe, TT, I mean, and you know.
Bye.
We racing or we just standing here like statues? Like statues?
Banging dick. Everybody banging dick and shit.
We got the Frog, we got the Chief.
Catch him.
We got Nick.
Are we racing?